Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today is the third episode and today we are going to learn variables. So let's start. As our notes, first of all, uh, credit to Code with Harry. The teaching and the notes are from Code with Harry. So credit to him and let's start. Just like we have some we, we have that we follow. We learned some rules like Pascal convention and all. So that were the rules that we do. Now, like now we will learn variables. For example, there this is a balloon. The balloon is a variable, a data type, and the air in this, the air it has to is the value of the balloon. And we can give the name of the balloon like anything, balloon 1 or orange balloon, anything. So that is the name of the variable. So this is the thing, and here integer, this is the data type, the number is the variable name, and it value stores. Rules for declaring a variable name. There are rules for making a variable name. So the first rule must not begin with a digit. It should not begin with a digit, any number. Name case is sensitive. Uh, like here Harry and Harry, here the H is small and H is capital. So these both are different for Java. Should not be a keyword like void. There are some reserved words by Java or that are only used by Java. For example, string, void, public these. So the variable name should be not one of those. White space not allowed. There should be no space like Code with Harry. So here there are spaces. No, you cannot put them in the variable name. Can contain alphabets and characters. Yes, it can contain digits, characters, and alphabets. But digits can only contain after character. Like for example, A1, A2. But if I write 1A, so it will be wrong. Data types, there are two types: primitive data types, non-primitive data types. So the primitive one are Java statically typed variables mostly declared with ha. There are 8 primitive types supported by Java, that is byte. This thing is not important to learn, just we want to understand it. Byte, it takes one, it stores 1 byte. Short, it stores 2 bytes. Integer stores 4 bytes. Float stores 4 bytes. Long stores 8 bytes. A double stores 8 bytes, and the char stores 2 bytes. Okay, and the boolean answers true or false. Okay, we can do a quick quiz. Write a Java program to all numbers, to 3 numbers, add 3 numbers. How to choose data types for our variables. for uh, for example, if we have to write an sorry, for integral means all the bytes, the short, long, and integer, the normal numbers. Floats mean decimal, float and double we can use. If char, one quotes, and if we are and the boolean true and false. That's it. So now let's do this quick quiz. You can also try with me. Okay. So this was the last time what we did. So let's create a variable. So I will create an integer. we do not write integer, we only write int. I'll write a1. It's not giving error, but if I write 1a, it will. We can add some symbols. Only this one. Where it is? This one. This symbol is allowed. Only some certain symbols are allowed in variable. So I will just give a1 is equal to like just give 4. Then integer a1. I am creating again a1. So it's saying that a1 is already here, and we are creating other a1, so we cannot. But if I make the a1 of this a capital, it's no error, because for it both are different. This is small a, this is capital A, both are different. But for confusion, so I will be going b1. Integer c1 is equal to 7. Now we create integer sum is equal to b1 plus b1 plus c1 plus sorry. Now this means the sum will contain all the the total of these. The a1 is 4, means this is 4. The b1 is 5, means this is 5. And c1 is 7, means this is 7. And 4 plus 5 plus 7 is 16. So the sum will store 16. So now I will do south. That is for short form. And I will not use double quotes. I will not use single quotes. I will just write sum. And is now we run. So it's saying hello world and 60. For instead of hello world, I can do here. So here the sum of these numbers are this. This. Then it will show the sum are 16. But you have noticed it is giving the answer in new line. But if you want the same line, we gonna remove the L. The ln means next line. And if I do like this, it should show in same line. I can add a space here for more. The sum of the numbers are 60. That's it. So that was for today, and soon I'm gonna give you an exercise that you have to do by yourself. So we are gonna do it after one episode. So bye everyone.